Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Mandala. They have launched the first Cryptonauts NFT connection, which has got Astar's CEO and the CTO on board. So the Mandala is a cross-platform game and the interoperable metaverse. It will introduce its cross-chain metaverse on Polkadot, specifically on Astar network. Mandala will be launching the Cryptonauts NFT connection on April 28th, created by concept artist and illustrator Bluez on Astar network. They choose Polkadot because of the functionality of NFT. They have to use the Polkadot like nesting, staking, and other functions. It's worth mentioning Kevin, who is well known for the movie The Blair Witch Project, is also involved in the project. So it's a cross-chain, so you can see that they support Cardano, Ethereum, and Polkadot. And so the review will happen after 1 day. And after the review, you are able to do a lot of things. For example, staking. You can also review your DID, all kinds of things. Now, let's first take a look at the vision map. So for the Mandala Avatar NFT utility, you have the following vision, like a DID, for example, and also they have a private knowledge sharing community that you can access in their Discord. You can do the staking right after, and you can access to their token events. They also have the cutting edge tech, and some narrative, and also the gameplay, and also the digital connectables with secret metadata utility. And so now let's check. They have 12 different clans, and all of them, they have different descriptions. So you can choose the clan you are interested, and then later on you can talk to the people who choose the same clan on Discord. And so alright, so the wait is over. Now you are able to mint the Cryptonauts, and actually the review will be tomorrow. And it's worth mentioning that the CEO and the CTO of Astar network, for example, Soda, he already minted the Mandala, and he is excited to see the art review very soon. Polkadot also mentioned that in their tweet. The CTO also mint one. This is the one from their CTO, and we can see what kind of NFT the CTO of Astar network had right now. Okay, the minting. By the way, the ADA minting price doesn't mean it's cheaper than the Astar, because when they list that, the ADA price dropped a lot. And so minting is easy. You just need to have enough Astar on your MetaMask. If you don't have enough Astar, you can send it from the Astar portal. So directly copy paste the address of your MetaMask, and you can send some Astar. So I just sent some Astar. Now you have enough Astar on MetaMask. Now I can mint, and so it's quite convenient. Just mint the NFT. By the way, the Bluez, which is a community-driven NFT marketplace, also support the NFT connection. So you can buy and sell on the Bluez right now. Alright, so that's all for today's video. What did you feel about this NFT? Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.